Have you ever wondered if you're making the most of the benefits of oats? Or maybe, without realizing, you're making mistakes that could be sabotaging your health and nutritional goals. Oats are an excellent source of several important nutrients. They're loaded with carbs and fiber, especially beta-glucan, a soluble fiber with numerous health benefits. This fiber, when dissolved in water, forms a viscous substance that helps reduce cholesterol and blood sugar levels, promoting better cardiovascular health and more efficient diabetes control. Beta-glucan also contributes to digestive health by improving bowel movements and promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the intestine. Also, oats contain high-quality proteins that provide essential amino acids needed for the repair and growth of body tissues. These proteins are especially important for active people and athletes, as they help with post-exercise muscle recovery and maintenance of muscle mass. Oats are a superfood, but only if consumed correctly. Before you keep enjoying your favorite breakfast, discover the 7 crucial mistakes you should never make when eating oats. These common slip-ups could be preventing you from getting all the nutrients you need and might even be causing negative effects on your body. Don't let such a powerful food become your enemy. Join us to uncover these mistakes and learn how to maximize the benefits of this nutritious grain. Error number 1. Not soaking the oats. Did you know that consuming oats without soaking them can make digestion and nutrient absorption more difficult? Oats contain phytic acid, a compound that can bind to minerals like iron and zinc, preventing their absorption. This anti-nutrient, present in many grains and seeds, can reduce the bioavailability of minerals, which means your body can't use them effectively despite their presence in your diet. Soaking the oats for at least a few hours before cooking not only helps reduce phytic acid, but also activates enzymes that begin the process of breaking down starches and proteins. This not only improves the digestibility of oats, but also releases more nutrients, making them more accessible for your body. Additionally, the soaking process initiates a slight fermentation that can increase the amount of beneficial probiotics in your oats, contributing to better gut health. Probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut. What can improve digestion, strengthen the immune system, and even positively influence mood? Soaking oats also has practical benefits. Soaked oats cook faster and have a creamier, smoother texture, making it more pleasant to the palate. If you're one of those always in a rush in the morning, soaking oats the night before can save you time without sacrificing the quality of your breakfast. Mistake number 2. Using instant oats. If you opt for instant oats for their convenience, you might be missing out on many nutritional benefits. Instant oats are usually more processed and often contain added sugars and artificial flavors. These oats are designed to cook quickly, which means a higher degree of processing that removes much of their original nutrients. In this process, oats can lose important amounts of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, essential elements that contribute to their nutritional value and health benefits. Excessive processing can also reduce the satiating capacity of oats. Fiber, particularly beta-glucan, is crucial for keeping you full and satisfied longer. Instant oats, having a reduced fiber content, don't offer the same level of satiety, which can make you feel hungry again in a short time, and to consume more calories throughout the day. Additionally, the glycemic index of instant oats is higher, which means it raises blood sugar levels more quickly, causing spikes and crashes that can affect your energy and appetite. Instant oats often come packaged with added flavors and sugar, unnecessarily increasing the intake of calories and refined sugars. These additives not only add empty calories but can also have negative effects on metabolic health, increasing the risk of developing insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and other sugar-related problems. Instead, choosing whole or steel-cut oats might seem less convenient due to the additional cooking time, but the nutritional benefits you get more than make up for this inconvenience. Whole oats, also known as traditional oats, retain their outer layers of bran and germ, which are rich in fiber, B vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats. These oats cook in about 10 to 15 minutes and provide a fuller texture and a more robust flavor than instant oats. Error number 3. Adding too much sugar. Sweetening oatmeal is a common practice, but it's easy to go overboard with sugar. Adding large amounts of refined sugar can turn a healthy breakfast into a calorie bomb. Excessive consumption of refined sugar is associated with numerous health problems, including a higher risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart diseases, and tooth decay. Additionally, refined sugar offers calories without any additional nutritional value. This can undermine the healthy benefits of oats. Instead of sugar, consider using fresh or dried fruits, cinnamon, vanilla, or even a touch of natural honey. These alternatives will not only add sweetness but also additional nutrients and antioxidants. For example, fresh fruits like berries, bananas, apples, or pears not only provide natural sweetness but also essential fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Dried fruits such as dates, raisins, or figs are also excellent options, though they should be used in moderation due to their high concentration of natural sugar. Cinnamon is a wonderful spice for sweetening without adding calories. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Vanilla, whether in extract or pod form, adds a delicious and comforting flavor. While natural honey, though a form of sugar, contains antioxidants, enzymes, and trace minerals, which can offer additional health benefits in small amounts. Besides these options, you can also experiment with other spices and natural additives. Unsweetened cocoa powder can add a chocolatey touch without additional sugar. Ginger, nutmeg, and cardamom are other spices that can add flavor and health benefits. For those who prefer a liquid sweetener, pure maple syrup or agave syrup can be options, although they should also be used in moderation. Both are more natural than refined sugar and contain some nutrients, although in small amounts. Maple syrup, for example, contains zinc and manganese, while agave has a lower glycemic index than refined sugar. Another strategy to reduce the need for sweeteners is to use plant-based milks with natural flavors, like almond milk or coconut milk, which often have a naturally sweet taste with no need to add extra sugar. You might also consider cooking the oatmeal with a combination of water and 100% natural fruit juice, like apple juice, which adds sweetness and flavor without refined sugars. Mistake number 4. Not balancing macronutrients. Oats are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, but for a truly balanced breakfast, it's important to add proteins and healthy fats. This helps keep you fuller for longer and stabilizes your blood sugar levels. The complex carbohydrates in oats break down slowly, providing a gradual release of energy, but without the addition of proteins and fats. This effect may not be enough to keep you satisfied and nourished throughout the morning. Consider adding nuts, seeds, Greek yogurt, or even a boiled egg. Nuts and seeds not only provide healthy fats and proteins, but also essential fiber, vitamins, and minerals. For example, almonds, macadamia nuts, walnuts, and chia seeds are excellent additions. Almonds provide vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants, while chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and proteins. Greek yogurt is another excellent option to add protein to your oatmeal. Rich in protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt helps improve digestion and gut health, in addition to providing calcium and vitamin B12. You can opt for plain yogurt without added sugar to avoid unnecessary extra calories and better control the amount of sugar you consume. Add a boiled egg. Adding a poached egg to your oatmeal might seem unusual, but it's a great way to boost your intake of protein and healthy fats. Eggs are a complete source of protein. They contain all essential amino acids and are rich in nutrients like choline, which is important for brain function. Another way to add proteins and healthy fats is to incorporate nut butters, like almond butter, or peanut butter. These types of butter add creaminess and flavor to the oatmeal while also providing protein, healthy fats, and vitamins. However, it is important to choose natural varieties without added sugars or oils to maximize nutritional benefits. If you prefer a vegan option, protein-enriched plant milks like soy milk or pea milk, can be excellent additions. These milks not only enhance the protein content of your oatmeal, but they can also add a smooth texture and a pleasant flavor. Fruits and vegetables can also play an important role in balancing your breakfast. Adding fruits like berries, bananas, or apples not only brings natural sweetness and flavor, but also fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that benefit overall health. Vegetables like spinach, pumpkin, or carrots can be added to oatmeal to add additional nutrients without drastically changing the taste. For those looking for a greater variety of textures and flavors, it is also possible to add ingredients like tofu, tempeh, or pea protein powder. These ingredients are rich in protein and can be especially useful for vegans or people looking to increase their protein intake without consuming animal products. Error number 5. Cooking oatmeal with water instead of milk. Cooking oatmeal with water instead of milk can make your breakfast less nutritious and less satisfying. Milk not only adds creaminess, but also proteins, calcium, and other essential vitamins. These proteins are crucial for the repair and growth of body tissues. While calcium is vital for bone and dental health, milk also provides other important nutrients like vitamin D, which helps calcium absorption, and vitamin B12, essential for red blood cell formation and neurological function. When you cook oatmeal with water, you miss out on these additional benefits, which can result in a less balanced and less satisfying meal. The texture of oatmeal cooked with milk is creamier and richer, which can make your breakfast more enjoyable and satisfying. Additionally, milk adds a smooth and sweet flavor that can perfectly complement the oatmeal, eliminating the need to add extra sugars. If you are vegan or lactose intolerant, you can use fortified plant milks like almond, soy, or oat milk, which also provide additional nutrients and a pleasant taste. Almond milk, for example, is low in calories and is often fortified with calcium and vitamin D. Although relatively low in protein, soy milk is an excellent alternative as it contains a similar amount of protein to cow's milk and is usually fortified with calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin B12. Oat milk, which has gained popularity in recent years, is another delicious and nutritious option. Aside from being naturally creamy, oat milk often contains additional fiber, which can help maintain a feeling of fullness. It is also usually fortified with calcium and vitamin D, making it a complete option for those seeking alternatives to cow's milk. Another interesting option is coconut milk, which adds a tropical flavor and rich, creamy texture to the oatmeal. Although it is higher in saturated fats, these fats can help increase the feeling of fullness. However, due to its calorie content, it is advisable to use it in moderation or in combination with other plant milks. Mistake number 6. Don't vary the toppings. Eating the same oatmeal every day can get boring and limit your nutrient intake. Varying the toppings not only makes your breakfast more interesting, but also allows you to get a wider variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Incorporating different fruits, nuts, seeds, and spices into your oatmeal can transform your breakfast into a delicious and nutritious experience, providing you with a more complete spectrum of essential nutrients for your health. Fresh fruits are a fantastic way to add flavor, texture, and nutrients to your oatmeal. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber, which can help protect your body against free radical damage and improve digestive health. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium and vitamin B6, and their natural sweetness can remove the need to add sugar. Apples and pears, cut into small pieces, provide fiber and a refreshing crunch. Nuts and seeds not only provide healthy fats and proteins, but also a variety of essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, and iron. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, and macadamia nuts can add a satisfying crunch and richness to your oatmeal. Nuts are particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health and brain function. Spices are a wonderful way to add flavor and health benefits to your oatmeal without adding extra calories. Cinnamon is a popular spice that not only offers a sweet and warm flavor, but also has antioxidant properties and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Nutmeg and cloves can add a touch of warmth and depth to your breakfast. Adding Greek yogurt or kefir to your oatmeal can significantly increase the protein and probiotic content, improving digestion and gut health. If you prefer non-dairy options, coconut, almond, or soy yogurt are excellent alternatives that can provide a creamy texture and add different flavors. Error number 7, ignoring portions. Oatmeal is healthy, but as with any food, portion size matters. It's easy to serve more than necessary, especially when adding a lot of toppings. A proper serving of raw oatmeal is generally half a cup, which expands when cooked. Controlling portions will help you maintain an appropriate caloric balance and avoid excessive calorie intake. When serving yourself a portion of oatmeal, it's essential to be aware of the caloric and nutritional content, especially if you are adding additional ingredients such as fruits, nuts, seeds, honey, or nut butters. Although these toppings are healthy and nutritious, they can also be high in calories. For example, a tablespoon of almond butter can have around 90 calories, and a handful of nuts can easily add another 200 calories. Keeping portion control not only helps you manage your daily caloric intake, but it can also prevent feelings of bloating or heaviness. What can happen when you consume an excessive amount of fiber all at once? Oatmeal is high in soluble fiber, which is great for digestion and heart health, but consuming too much fiber suddenly can cause gastrointestinal discomfort. An effective strategy is to measure the oats before cooking and be mindful of the toppings you add. You can use tools like measuring cups or kitchen scales to ensure you're consuming an appropriate amount. In conclusion, oatmeal can be an incredibly healthy and delicious breakfast if prepared and consumed properly. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure you get all the benefits this superfood has to offer. So the next time you prepare your morning oatmeal, remember these tips and transform your breakfast into a nutritious and delicious experience. In conclusion, oatmeal can be an incredibly healthy and delicious breakfast if prepared and consumed properly. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure you get all the benefits this superfood has to offer. So the next time you prepare your morning oatmeal, remember these tips and transform your breakfast into a nutritious and delicious experience. The comment that reaches 1000 likes will define the next video of the channel. Remember to give a like and share if you learned something new. If you want to learn how to create content like the one you just saw in this video and make a living from YouTube, I'm leaving you my intensive AI course for only $15 in the store of this video and in the first comment. Also, remember that your support is very important for growing the channel. You can make a donation to Tuvi for very little money and access all the benefits we offer to our members. I truly appreciate it. Up next, you'll see 2 videos that are of interest to you. Sending you a hug. See you in the next one.